Electricity is really just organized lightning. George Carlin. Thunder is good, thunder is impressive, but it is lightning that does the work. Mark Twain. The difference between the almost right word and the right word is really a large matter. 'Tis the difference between the lightning bug and the lightning. Mark Twain. The lofty pine is oftenest shaken by the winds, high towers fall with a heavier crash, and the lightning strikes the highest mountain. Horace. It is not the roaring thunder that smites, but the silent lightning. Ivan Panin. I am a being of heaven and earth, of thunder and lightning, of rain and wind, of the galaxies. Eden Abez. With luck, you have other things to do than wait for lightning to strike. Paul Lauterbur. I done wrestled with an alligator, I done tussled with a whale, handcuffed lightning, thrown thunder in jail. Only last week I murdered a rock, injured a stone, hospitalized a brick. I'm so mean I make medicine sick. Muhammad Ali. The best lightning rod for your protection is your own spine. Ralph Waldo Emerson. A song is an emotional lightning bolt, a good one anyway. Mary Gauthier.